Hello, this is a quick introduction to Rockpool, which is video editing in the browser. It allows you to take the footage from multiple cameras shooting the same event, sync them up very easily and do a multi-camera edit. So you get to it here, Rockpool, forkaudio.org/rockpool, and what you should do is you and your friends shoot a music performance or something on your phones, and then you all upload it to YouTube, and then you open up Rockpool. And so here I've got 3 videos of a bit of piano playing. So what I do is I just copy the URL, go to Rockpool, click add video, paste it in, and you can see it's imported it here from YouTube, and it's laid it out as a little timeline. We can scrub the timeline, we can see what's happening, we can play the video. We can see that this beginning bit is just silence and setting up, so we can skip ahead, and we can see that we can see from the sound that the actual playing starts around here. So we can set the start and end points here, and let's try playing that. So we can see that the footage is quite clear. The sound quality is pretty bad. So let's bring in the other clips. So here I copy the second one, add it to the video. Again, it imports it, and the same for the third one. So it's imported the 3 clips from YouTube. You can see from the audio that they don't look lined up. They were started at different times. And we can use this button here to see all 3 videos. And we can scrub them back and forth, and we can see that they're not synced up. So for example, there's a moment where there's a high note there. And you can see in the right-hand camera it's hitting the high note, but in the middle camera hits it at a different moment. So to line them up, we just click this button, align tracks, and this analyzes the audio and figures out how to synchronize the tracks. So let's move them together. Now we can see that moment where it hits the high note there happens at the same moment on all 3 cameras. So now we can zoom the timeline a little bit to see in more detail. We can try playing, and we can mix the audio. So we can try the 3 different microphones. So this one is quite good. The first one, the Android phone, is pretty bad. This is the laptop on the fridge, is good. And this one, the iPad, is the best. So I think we can get a nice mix of the audio by just combining a bit of this and a bit of this. So there we've got the best sound. And now we can quickly do a multi-camera edit. So I'm going to put some sections here of the different cameras just by swiping. I'm going to start with the zoomed out shot, go for a bit of this camera, go for a bit of this camera. I'm going to end with this camera, and then this one. So let's have that at the end. So you can see editing is very quick and easy, just swiping and clicking. Let's put them back into one video and check out what we've got. That looks good, that'll do. So then final stage is we click to render it. It explains what it's doing. It's cutting the video up into separate clips, and then it's joining them together, re-encoding it back to MP4 format. And then once it's done, it shows you the finished video. And you can play it here in the browser. You can see it's all working, and we can download the video. Here we go. So you can see it's downloaded it, and we can open it up. Now we've got our file locally. And that's it.